Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a task management system with Trello, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your information and create an account. Once logged in, you will see your Trello homepage. Click on the Create New Board button. A new window will pop up asking for your board's name. Enter a descriptive name for your task management system. Choose a background color or image if you like. Decide the board visibility based on your preferences. After customizing, click on Create Board. You are now on your new board. To get started, create lists for your tasks. Click on Add a list and name it according to your workflow. Common list names include To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click Add List to save each one. Now that your lists are set, it's time to add cards. Click on Add a card under your to-do list. Enter a title for the task you want to add. Click Add Card to save it. You can click on the card to open it for more details. Add a description of the task for clarity. Assign due dates or attach files if necessary. You can also add labels to categorize your tasks. To assign a team member, click on Members and select from the list. After customizing, click Close. Repeat this process to fill your. Once you start working on a task, simply drag the card to the In Progress list. When completed, drag the card to the Done list. Explore Trello's features like checklists and comments for more functionality. You can also create additional lists for future planning or projects. Experiment with automation tools like Butler to streamline your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.